In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PDF in WordPress. If you want to make a PDF available directly on your WordPress site, the process is quick and beginner friendly once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a PDF using the built-in WordPress editor so your visitors can access the file right from your page. To get started, go to your site editor in WordPress. This is where you can edit the layout and content of your site using blocks. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the page or template where you want the PDF to appear. Taking a moment to confirm the correct location now can save you from having to move things around later. Next, look to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon. This opens the block inserter, which lets you add different types of content to your page. WordPress uses blocks for everything, including text, images, buttons, and files. So this is the tool you'll use to insert your PDF. After opening the block inserter, go to the search bar and type the word file. Searching is the fastest way to locate the exact block you need, especially if you're working in a busy editor with lots of options available. When the file block appears in the search results, click on it. This adds the file block to your page, which is specifically designed for documents like PDFs. It's a simple and effective way to let visitors download or open a file directly from your website. Now click Upload and choose the PDF from your computer. Once you select the file, WordPress will upload it and place it into the file block automatically. Depending on your setup, the PDF may appear as a clickable link, a download option, or an embedded preview. If the upload takes a few seconds, that's completely normal, especially for larger PDF files. After the file is added, it's a good idea to review how it looks on the page. Make sure it appears in the right spot and is easy for visitors to find. If needed, you can reposition the block just like any other content block in WordPress. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a PDF in WordPress. Once you're happy with the result, be sure to save or publish your changes so the PDF becomes visible on your live site. This is a great way to share brochures, guides, forms, menus, or any other downloadable document with your audience.